Kids all woke up at like 6:10, 6:20 this morning. We are now having...
Hey, that's my line.
Where? Yamo.
Mama.
Shower.
Mama. Thank you for the fun morning, everybody. Dev's gotta go do work and trainer session. Dun, da, da, da.
That I have, we'll see. Maybe you're different. Maybe you're very similar. Most of the time, you're very similar to me. So maybe I'm reaching here. This is a fun one. Not bad. And straighten back out again. Now, relax for just a second. Lean forwards a little bit more, like you were just doing on that ball. Yes. After that, I think we're gonna get pretty close. It's more butt back. There you go. Like and good. Yeah. Good. You look at today.
Yeah.
And when you go to New York, is that to like see the CEO and those kind of guys, or no? All right. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to bend your knees. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. We got 3 more.
Oi, casi. Nice. Okay. And then I met with Shaika.
Alexander likes to sit on the changing pad we have here, and sometimes I ask him if he wants a blankie, and he says yes. So I bring him a pillow and a blankie and a lovey, a little lion. He looks very happy, and he just looks out the window at the world. Whoa, I think he's up there now. There he is.
I found the bird.
There's the squirrels. You see him going to the dray?
Yeah. He's looking for food in there.
I'm pretty sure that's a legit turkey.
Where's the turkey? Where?
We think that's a turkey
Where?
in our backyard.
Where?
What did you do with the changing pad, Alex? Why is it over there? Why are you lying down? Why are you sleeping? In the kitchen? I'm very confused. Welcome to the Fluent Family Nature Preserve, where we've got Mama's and Daniel's and Alex's and geese and turkeys and everything.
A picture of the geese.
You filmed a picture of the geese. How did you film a picture of the geese?
What if this? I take a picture of this.
I'm gonna put in the vlog today. The biggest two-boy hug ever.
No, the biggest poop ever.
Okay. But I want to see the biggest two-boy hug. Alex, Daniel, do you both agree to be part of the biggest hug ever?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alex, stand here, and Daniel, stand right there. Alex?
Sit down, please.
Alex, finger. Alex, finger.
Dad, can you please sit down?
Hold, yeah. Alex, finger first. Big, big, big. Oh, wait for Alex. What about Alex? He couldn't hug you because he was facing in the other direction. He just likes gansos. Daniel's giving me a massage. What are you chewing on?
The ear.
Who's that?
Mama.
That's Mama. Where's my head massage?
Good morning, Dada.
Good
Open your
morning.
eyes.
Good morning. Look at that. That's the best chin I've ever had. I swear I work out every day.
Dad, I got so many things in my hand.
Why do you have so many things? We're supposed to be going to bed. What on earth is all that gunk?
I feel like some animals gonna come crawling up from there. It's not, but
It's kind of yucky.
oh my god, it smells so bad.
Yeah.
I need to